Squatch can be anywhere in these woods.
Seems like we're gonna have to make him come to us.
I don't hear anything, do you?
Nope, not at all, brother.
We gonna find him.
I think it's time we pull out every Sasquatch hunter's secret weapon. Loud animal noises.
Ear, ear, ear.
Twinkle, twinkle.
Ow, ow, ow.
Bro. I don't think aquatic mammal noises are the move.
Everyone knows that Sasquatch vacation down in South Florida. Come on now, bro. Bro, a Viking horn? Really?
Bro, you didn't know the first Sasquatch sighting was by Leif Erikson, the original Viking? You've never watched Vikings?